Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I'm going to show you the quickest way to cook a turkey, the easiest way, and it's going to come out perfect with a crispy skin, incredibly juicy, and a nice smoky flavor using a garbage pail and a cross. Welcome to Post 5 Productions. Now, you don't have to use a metal cross, you can use a wood cross. However, my dad just welded up the metal cross because it'll last a long time, a lot longer than the wood one will due to the heat. But the first thing you're going to want to do is wrap it in foil. It makes cleanup a lot easier. You don't have to use any chemicals to clean the grease off, and it's just a little bit more sanitary. So I'm going to pull off pieces of aluminum foil, wrap this up, and then we'll head over to the next step. Cross is ready. Due to the rain today, I threw a tarp over the swing set to make a little hut here for where we're going to put the garbage pail. You're going to take some heavy duty aluminum foil. Seems to work the best, especially in temperate conditions such as today around Thanksgiving here in Michigan. We're going to lay it out a bit bigger than the diameter of the garbage pail, and then you'll see the cross is going to go right down in the middle of it. So we're going to lay this down first. Set the trash can down to get the ring so you can find center for the cross. Now, for cooking a turkey like this, you need to use a steel garbage pail. However, they always come with galvanizing on the inside. So, if you don't already know, galvanizing is very toxic, and you obviously don't want that cooking into your turkey. So just get a bunch of scrap wood, paper, cardboard, and when you first buy a garbage pail, and burn all of the paper, wood, everything inside the garbage pail. That way that'll peel the galvanizing off the inside, and it'll take it right off with the smoke. And obviously don't be anywhere near it when you're burning it. You have to replenish the fire when you're burning the galvanizing out. Hold your breath, wear a respirator or something. Go in, feed more to the fire, get out of the way. Next, turkey time. Okay. Yep. Now, obviously you're going to use the thawed turkey. Set it down, butt down, legs down. Don't worry about the wings, they'll be fine. And we found that the cheapest turkey you can get works the best. Don't get a butterball, anything that's lean and everything. Just get the fattest, cheapest turkey you can get.
You don't have to baste it, you don't have to inject it.
No basting, no injecting, no marinating, no rubbing. All right, next step, bag of charcoal, pretty big layer around the outside, a layer on the top, and douse with lighter fluid. Not sure if this is necessary, but we like to wrinkle the foil up around to kind of keep all the coals in, keep the heat in. Kind of helps make a little bowl to focus the heat onto the trash can. I like to leave a little trail here going from the top down to the bottom so the flames can come up to the top coals.
Contact.
As soon as the briquettes, the charcoal turns white, starts to turn white, we have about a 18-pound turkey in there. 2 hours for an 18-pound turkey. Don't touch it, don't lift it to check it. 2 hours from the time the charcoal briquettes start to turn white, you'll hear it sizzling, you'll be able to smell it, and the turkey's done.
You go through a 25-pound turkey with 2 hours.
Yeah, up to about anything under 18. If you have like a 16, 17-pound turkey before trimming it, go a little bit less, unless it's a really cold day out. Then you're gonna want to leave it in the full 2 hours, maybe a little more. But 18 to 22, 24-pound turkey, 2 hours is all it takes. The thermometer, the little thing that pops out, sometimes it pops out when we do it this way, sometimes it doesn't. Even if it doesn't, the turkey's still done. For some reason that just doesn't want to work when we cook it this way.
Rule of thumb is if coals turn gray, you walk away and come back in an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on the size of your turkey.
Yeah, coals turn gray, you walk away is what he said. They're just now starting to turn gray a little bit. We're going to wait until a little bit more of the briquettes start to envelop a little bit more with that gray, the white, and a little bit more on this side maybe, Dad. So we'll see you in, we'll wait a little bit longer, so we'll see you in about 2 hours. What time you got right now?
10:58.
10:58. We'll see you around 1. Uh-oh. Gosh, you don't get much more juicier than that. Woo! Bring it over here. That's the first time that's happened.
Yeah. You know it's going to be tender.
Yeah. Boy, oh boy. Okay. It's never fallen literally off the bone like that before. All right, let's go. Let's go carve this up. Look at the crispy skin. Cooked all the way through good. Nice and juicy.
White meat just as tender as turkey.
Yeah. Excited for your turkey leg, buddy? That's a yes. That skin crunchy? Yummy. It tastes like bacon.
Ain't much carving to this one. Go to the fire.
Yummy. Here's how juicy the white meat is. Just falls apart. Oh. Good stuff. You excited for turkey? You excited for turkey, baby girl? Cleanup is that simple. Just wrap up all the foil with the coals and ashes still inside. Throw in the trash can.
Cooked all the way through perfectly.
Good and hot. Hi, Dad.
Is there something in the oven?
From our family to yours, have a happy Thanksgiving. Take care.